Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. And today I got another story of when I owned that little diner on the road to nowhere, where I was Dave, chef to the stars. One day, Danny DeVito came in screaming at me, "Make me a fucking sandwich." I said, okay. He said one thing: I don't want anything resembling a vegetable on it. I said, sure. I said, what about lettuce? Lettuce is good. He threw a salt shaker at me, and I went to work. All right, so as you can see here, I've got a nice little Italian loaf that I have put mayonnaise on. And then we're going to add some Genoa salami, followed by some lovely prosciutto, and some soppressata, and then some Canadian bacon. Then I'm going to lay down some mozzarella cheese on both sides of the bread. And finally, a dusting of Parmesan. And then I'm going to pop this into a 400-degree oven until the cheese is melted, ooey and gooey, and we're ready to pull this out. All right, see you at the finished product. Okie dokie, the only thing I did after it popped out of the oven was add a little pepper, and that's it. So that's Danny DeVito Sandwich. Done. And he ate the whole thing, believe it or not. Although, why he felt the need to do it while wearing a Big Bird costume, I don't have the first damn clue. But anyway, that's another installment of Dave, Chef to the Stars.